Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Navid and this is Hyperpix. I'm back with another text effect. This template uh, is inspired by neon designs that you might have seen all around the city. It's totally like this, and it's very fit for casino designs. But I'm going to show you that you can also apply this to any neon design. So stay tuned. Let's see about that. Right click on the yellow layer, just like always. Choose edit content, and in the new window, from here, we got all the layers that contains this sign. You can totally edit it. For example, I'm gonna double click on this text layer. I'm gonna write whatever I want. Poker. There it is. Also got another one, club. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna choose Control S, and I'm gonna come back, and there it is. My text has been uh, different. Okay, we can also change the color. If you want to do that, just in this thumbnail, double click on it, and you can change the color, just like that. Control S, and I'm back. As you can see, my style has been applied to this text. Also, the color has been changed. I'm not gonna go with pink. There it is, as you can see. That's how easy it is. Every element in this design is totally changeable. We can move it around, we can remove them, everything. Just all you gotta do is double click on them, and you can also change their color. Pink, there it is. I want to save it. Wow, as you can see here, the style has been applied. So nothing complicated, no limits, very easy to use. We can also change the color. For example, I'm gonna do this, but don't do this. I'm just gonna show you how you can apply this. See, so totally changeable, but you shouldn't do that. I just did that to show you. Okay, you can also do this with a logo. For example, let me turn off these two layers. I'm gonna put my logo here. For example, Spotify logo. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna resize it and put it in the middle. Okay. I think it's good. I'm gonna save it. Let's get back. Wow, as you can see, my style has been applied to this logo. You can use your own logo, anything else, or you just use the text. And change the color from here. Put it on green, and these borders here. Also, we got. I'm gonna put them all on green. We got symbols to be yellow. Put this one on yellow. I'm gonna write music for every mood. Okay, I'm gonna resize it a little bit. Let's see. Let's change the color. Put it on yellow. There it is. Let's close it. Wait for the result to happen. Very good. As you can see, my style has been successfully applied to my text. We can also change the color of the smoke. Choose Control U and change the hue variable here. The color is totally changeable. You can also deactivate this. We got another folder, this shadow background folder. We got a smoke, which is behind the design. You double click on it. You can also, from color overlay, you can change the color of it. And final thing is that you can also have this outline. All you gotta do is to go to stroke and have this as put this on outside and 7 pixel. It depends on you. Choose the color of the logo. Uh, okay, but make sure that the fill is on 0%. There it is. As you can see, my logo is outlined here, which resembles the neon look even more. Just do everything there and you will see the result here. No limits in text and colors. If you want to change the color, I'm gonna do this just to show you. Now, this is not actually the best thing to do, but I'm just gonna show you. There it is. Color has been changed. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get this template, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get this and hundreds of other text effects that you can use this in your personal and commercial projects and save your time like up to 100 times. Okay, actually, if you want to design this, well, you have to put hours and hours, but you can do this in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.